Welcome back to Faith Stewardship and Insurance, Protecting Texas Churches. I'm your host, Ron Wadley with Insurance for Texans, where we help church leaders protect their people, property, and purpose with confidence and clarity rooted in the promise of certainty. Today, we're talking to the heart of Texas ministry, small churches doing big work on small budgets. And one of the biggest questions we hear is this: how do we take care of our staff's healthcare needs when traditional group insurance is just too expensive? The good news, you have options. Real, affordable, faithful options. Let's break down 3 healthcare solutions that can help your church protect its people without breaking the budget. Meet Bill, a finance team member at a small church in Fort Worth with 3 staff members. They wanted to care for their pastor and team, but group health insurance was simply out of reach. They tried marketplace plans, but costs kept rising and the coverage didn't fit. So Bill started looking for new ideas and discovered there are smart ways small churches can provide meaningful healthcare support. Here are 3 different options that small churches should consider for providing health coverage for ministry staff. Number 1 is health sharing ministries. These are faith-based programs where members share each other's medical costs. They're not traditional insurance, but they can offer real help for major medical expenses at a lower monthly cost. They also align beautifully with church values of generosity and shared responsibility. Just be aware, health shares often have lifestyle or belief guidelines, may limit coverage for pre-existing conditions, and aren't regulated like insurance. They are best for healthy staff who understand how the model works. For many small churches, this is a great community-driven way to manage healthcare costs with shared faith and shared stewardship. Option number 2 is catastrophic health insurance. These plans are designed for big, unexpected medical events, surgeries, long hospital stays, or serious illness. They don't cover everyday doctor visits or prescriptions, and that's what keeps them affordable. But when life throws a curveball, this coverage steps in to protect families from financial disaster. For small churches, it's a simple, budget-friendly safety net, major protection without major cost. A third option for small churches is to offer supplemental health plans. These are gap plans that pay cash benefits for things like accidents, critical illnesses, or hospital stays. Staff can use those funds however they need to pay medical bills, cover deductibles, or even everyday expenses during recovery. Supplemental plans don't replace insurance, but they fill the holes in existing coverage. When combined with a health share or catastrophic plan, they give staff confidence and peace of mind. Most Texas churches have less than 50 employees and therefore have no legal requirement to offer health insurance. But for most ministries, it's not about what's required. It's about what's right. Health sharing, catastrophic coverage, and supplemental plans each have trade-offs, but together they form a practical, faithful way to care for your team and steward your resources well. At Insurance for Texans, we've helped hundreds of churches just like Bill's find smart, affordable health coverage strategies. Through our True Texas Church insurance program, we sit down with you and help design a plan that fits your people, your mission, and your budget. If your church is ready to take that next step, visit insurancefortexans.com and start the conversation with our church insurance experts. We'll help you build a healthcare plan that fits your staff, your stewardship goals, and your calling. And if you haven't yet picked up your copy of The Promise of Certainty, grab it today at thepromiseofcertainty.com. It's your guide to confident, faith-based decision-making for your ministry. I'm Ron Wadley, and this has been Faith Stewardship and Insurance, Protecting Texas Churches. Until next time, remember, small churches can do big things when they steward wisely and care deeply for their people.